Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XDC from Revolut to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between platforms can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This guide is designed for beginners and pros alike, ensuring you do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and XMO. By 2025, these platforms might have updated interfaces, so always double-check for the latest features. Start by logging into your Revolut app or website. Navigate to your XDC wallet. XDC is XinFin's digital currency, perfect for fast, low-cost transactions. Once you're in, select the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Remember, fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Next, you'll need the XMO wallet address. Hop over to your XMO account, go to the deposit section, and select XDC. Copy that unique address. It's crucial to get this right to prevent any loss. Back in Revolut, paste the XMO address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any network details, as XDC often uses the XDC network. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction confirmation. In 2025, expect quicker processing times thanks to blockchain advancements, but still, wait for the final confirmation on both platforms. Once it's done, verify your XDC balance in XMO to ensure everything transferred smoothly. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, contact support from either app. They're usually responsive. And there you have it. Transferring XDC has never been easier. This method keeps your assets secure and helps you manage your crypto portfolio like a pro. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.